All right, welcome back to Fix RC. You're about to see where we came up with the rally truck that you're gonna see later in some action. You might have seen it on Wreck RC, and also that's the reason you see the stickers up there is because we are in the Wreck RC garage, and you're gonna see a few more probably out of here, so stay tuned. Let's get into it. This was the Losi V100. It was brushed. I have swapped it out a couple of different times, but actually what I've put in here is the Maverick system from the Maverick truck. I've added some fans here. I didn't add that on the camera, and I've added a light here. I didn't put that on film either, but this is actually from a Hosum. These fans I actually put on here. This one was to originally cool the motor, but I actually dropped the punch and it's very, very cool now, so I don't actually have to worry. So what this is actually helping is when we run in the dirt, as you'll see later, it actually helps to keep the dirt out of it. It's pretty, I was pretty surprised because it kind of keeps a little cushion of air. Just something to help because it is a full body, as you see here, and a couple of other modifications I've done up under there as well.
Guys, also check this out. He put the shucks from an MJX Hypergo on here, a 14th scale, and they are perfect on this car. What do you got, some metal drive shafts down in there too?
Yes, it did have the plastic drive shafts, but I actually installed some aluminum ones. Front ones are very good.
It's a heck of a build.
Yeah, from what it was, from the brush system that it had in, and that was fun, don't get me wrong, but this has been really fun.
And when you guys see it competing against that rally car up there, you're gonna be mad impressed because this thing is way more capable than you think it is.
You're about to see how the Mad C10 came to be. Oh yeah, 77.2. We're gonna surprise him a little bit. 71. All right.
Yeah, boy. All right, ready? All right, off the line and around the corner. Here we go. No traction roll. All right, we good. Hit the corner. He hit the cone. All right. All right. Oh, that was close. All right. Oh, around the corner. Got a little bit. We got some three-wheel action going on. Oh yeah, man, this thing's got, I love this. It is just, it's so vicious. Woo! All right, around the corner. Try not to traction roll, try not to traction roll. Oh! All right, here we go, still on the road. Yeah!
Oh, that was amazing.
That was awesome. It looks like I took it. Yeah. Oh my God, they're so equal. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Down the fast section of the back. Oh, this is what I had on last one.
Oh.
Oh, we kept it going. And we up
There we go. Oh my God, what a finish.
This is becoming very capable. I'm very, yes, I'm very happy.
And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, almost hit the cone. Changing grip. Fast section down the back straight. Oh, wow, oh, this looks amazing, these two going around together like this. What a tight race. This is very heated. BL2S, maybe, I don't know. Oh man, turning off the road into the dirt. That little Losi really catches up quick. Right. Whoa, that thing comes off that road. I'm gonna buy that truck and I want you to make me one just like this.
Okie dokie,
Awesome.
not a problem.
Yeah.
And we'll build it on the channel.
All right, guys, thanks for watching Fix RC. You just saw some wrenching and some fun with the rally trucks here. Remember, like and subscribe. If you want to get something like this, just remember, you got to throw a wrench in the works.